Welcome to Contact. At this point, we're looking at the journal entry for sales on credit, and we're looking at the perpetual inventory system. Now, with perpetual inventory system, we know that what we do is that we continuously continue to adjust our inventory in our books. Unlike periodic inventory system, where we only adjust inventory at specific periods, i.e., perhaps at the end of the period, we look at how much inventory we have left and we do the journal entry then. With perpetual inventory system, we do it continuously with any movement of inventory, whether in or out or in any other form of change in inventory, we do the journal entry. So we're looking at a very simple example here, and which will guide you in looking at other examples with regards to doing the journal entry in the perpetual inventory system. So here we sold inventory worth 5,000 rand for 8,000 rand on credit. Now, when we sell inventory on credit, the first thing that we do is we record the sale of inventory. So if it's on credit, we debit account receivables or debtors account with the specific data, but it goes to the accounts receivable account, accounts receivable, and then we and that is for 8,000 rand, because that's the sale amount, or that's how much the debtor will owe us, and then we credit the sale. So sales, because it's inventory that we're selling. If it was services that we're offering, then we put revenue there. But that's the term we use for 8,000 rand. Now we've done the journal entry for the sale. Now the next thing we need to go and do is to adjust our inventory in our books, because this is the perpetual inventory system. So what we're going to do is that we have a decrease in inventory. But what is the contra account? The contra account is the cost of sale. How much did you buy the inventory for? It tells us that we bought it for 5,000 rand. So you need to know that figure. How much did you buy the inventory that you just sold for? And that's what you put there. So you have inventory was worth 5,000 rand. And what is the contra account? Obviously, we have a decrease in inventory, and inventory decreases on the credit side. Put 5,000. And that is it. Obviously, we did not take into account VAT and all of those stuff. We'll look at that later on. But this is the simple way of doing the journal entry for sales on credit using the perpetual inventory system. Till next time, cheers.